Video, and today I'm going to be reviewing all these types of slime. So, yeah, there's all different sorts of slime. So, first of all, I got slime from, where's the watermark? Guys, don't mind me, I'm trying to find the watermark. Oh, it's on the lid. Barrel O Slime. This video is not sponsored, also I'm going to give them a shout out. Oh, check this out. It's a pretty cool slime toy. It's really, really slimy. It's the color green. Yeah, because regular slime is usually green. I mean, am I right? This thing is very, very slippery. I can barely hold it. That's why much is actually falling. But now let's do a special thing. Let's see how much it can stay up in the air with me holding only one single bit of it. Let's see how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seconds. Okay. This is a pretty cool slime. You can easily tell slime. It's pretty weird. Anyways, moving on. Next up, we have this well-made and super good smelling slime. It's a sort of a pink. It's actually red on the camera, but it's actually pink.